Thanks for joining us for a tour of Planet Hollywood King Room. We are staying in room 2059, which is on the 20th floor. The bathroom is a pretty good size. It has a tub as well as a shower. It also has a separate toilet area for privacy. The Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino is pretty centrally located on the Strip, so that makes it a convenient spot to start from on your trip to Las Vegas. The bathroom is furnished with a few small bottles of product, conditioner, lotion, and shampoo. You may want to bring some of your own or grab some extra from housekeeping. The room itself is a pretty good size. This is a king, and there is quite a bit of extra space on either side of the bed. There's a mini fridge available in the room. There's a fair amount of storage, so you shouldn't have any problem with that. And the room does have a small safe. Of course, all the rooms have different views. Ours had a partial view of the Bellagio Fountains, as well as a view of the pool area. Overall, the room was clean and well kept, and definitely a good place to stay when you're in Vegas.